Managing multiple accounts on Threads is straightforward, especially since Threads is closely linked to Instagram. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. At the top of your profile, you'll see your username with a drop-down arrow next to it. Tap the arrow. If you have multiple accounts, they will appear in this drop-down list. If you need to add another account, scroll to the bottom and tap Add Account. Log in with your credentials or create a new account. Open the Threads app. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap the Log Out button. This will log you out of the current account. After logging out, you'll see the Threads login screen. Here, you can log in with the account you just logged out from or tap Switch Accounts below the login button. The Switch Accounts option will display all the Instagram accounts you're logged into. Choose the account you want to switch to or log into Threads for the first time. If the selected account hasn't been set up on Threads yet, you'll be prompted to import your profile from Instagram. Follow the prompts to complete your profile setup on Threads. To switch between accounts, you'll need to repeat the process by logging out and selecting the desired account under Switch Accounts.